Hello friends, first of all, today we're going to learn how to make an aeroplane using a single piece of paper. It's just a normal piece of paper. It's better if you take an offset paper of probably the A4 size. So now let's move on to the ways to make an aeroplane. First of all, fold the paper into two halves horizontally, like this way, as I'm doing. Okay, you will see this. Yes, now as you can see, it's divided into two equal halves. Now we open it. Okay, now take one end from the top. Considering any end, you can do this side, you can do that side, doesn't matter. I'm just doing this side. Okay, now considering one half, you take one half in this way and bind it. Just fold it up to this mark here present. You can see this mark up to this mark. Okay, we give one complete fold this side and also on the other side the similar way, but not overtaking it. Yeah, just this way. So at first we make this one like this. It will look like this, opened. Now with this side we fold it up to not more than enough, just like this, up to a certain amount that is just not more than this in the sides, and the middle should follow the here. We fold it. Okay, we fold it. Now again we will fold it like the previous way. From here to the mark we can see in the middle, we'll fold it like this way in one side, and again in the other side. Okay, yes, now it's almost done. Now you will find like this and an extra piece of paper here. Okay, now just fold on this extra piece of paper upward like this. Okay, now just completely turn it over and keep it down there like that. And now using this middle line, just fold it into two equal halves. Okay, like this way. Yeah, it's two equal halves. It's been folded. Now just the both sides look the same, and now just took one of its halves and fold it again back, and like that. Okay, it's this. Now keep it here and fold it from here. This will go and this line will just meet here. Fold it up to that limit. Yes, it meets here, not like this and not like that, not like that. This should meet here. Yes, it meets here. Then fold it. Okay, now turn it on the back side and do the same this side like this. Fold it up to this and make sure that the top is long enough. Okay, now match this one both the sides, and now you take it like this way and keep it. Then you'll see a portion is here. Now this just straighten it up and your airplane is ready to fly. It's just simple. It's so simple. I hope you like. So please like this one.